Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let's have a problem on reactions. The bending moment at E is 600 kilonewtons meter clockwise. Determine the intensity of the loading W and the vertical support reaction at C. So here is the given figure. First, let us show that the beam is statically stable and determinate. So the number of reactions here is 1 at roller support plus 2, so 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And there are three parts, three free body diagrams that we can draw. First, second, and third. So therefore, R, which is 9, is equal to 3 times 3. So 9 equals 9, and the beam is statically stable. And therefore, it is statically stable and determinate. So we proceed as follows. We consider first portion AB and the intensity of the loading, because these points are equally spaced. So meaning to say at the center, if the maximum intensity is W, at C it is zero point 0.5 of W. So call that RA. Then this is 0.5 W, this is 0.25 W, and this is 0.75 of W. There's no need to apply similar triangles. So they are equally spaced, so equally graduated. So considering AB, summation moment about B equals 0, so we don't need to put the reactions at B because they are not involved. So RA times 4 equals moment of the loading 1/2 of 4 times 0.25 W, and the moment arm is 4/3. So R sub A times 4 equals 1/2 of quantity 4 times 0.25 W times 4/3. So R sub A can now be expressed in terms of W. It is equal to W over 6 kilonewtons. Having found RA, we then consider A, B, C, D up to D. We are not revealing uh, joints B and C or interhinges B and C, so don't mind. And we now have R sub C here. Then take note RA is W over 6, so clockwise positive. So we have RA W over 6 times 12 plus R sub C times 4 equals the moment of this triangular load, which is 1/2 of 12 times 0.75 W, and the moment arm is 1/3 of 12 or 4. So equals 1/2 of quantity 12 times 0.75 W times 4. Simplifying, R sub C is equal to 4W kilonewtons also. Then for the last part, we put the reactions at E, including the moment. So we have EY, EX is 0, obviously, and the moment, which is bending moment at E, which is 600 kilonewton meter clockwise as shown. Then R sub C is 4W, RA W over 6. Then we sum up moments about E equals 0, considering this entire system or free body diagram. So still clockwise positive, RA W over 6 times 16, then plus R sub C, which is 4W times 8, then plus 600, then equals moment of the loading 1/2 of 16 times W, and the moment arm is 1/3 of 16 or 16/3. So 1/2 of 16 times W times 16/3. Simplifying, combining these two, we have 104 over 3W plus 600 equals 128 over 3W. So 128 over 3W minus 104 over 3W. So we have 600 equals 8W. So W can now be computed 600 over 8 or 75 kilonewtons per meter. Then the vertical reaction at C is 4 times W, 4 times 75. So R sub C is 300 kilonewtons upward. So that's it for this problem, and I hope that you enjoyed watching and you gained techniques on how to analyze uh, reactions in a structure like this one, a beam.